Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to install Trello application in Windows PC. So let's get started. So if you want to install your Trello, what you can do is just open up your Microsoft Store. After opening up your Microsoft Store, now what you can do is just search for Trello in the search bar. After searching for Trello, here you can find this application. What you can do is just tap on it and then tap on Get. And by tapping on Get, your Trello application starts downloading. After completing the installation process, now what you can do is just tap on Open. And after opening up your Trello application, you can just tap on Continue. And now if you don't have an account, you can just create one by tapping on Sign Up. But if you already have an account, what you can do is just tap on Login. After tapping on Login, now what you have to do is just enter your email address. After entering your email address, just tap on Continue, or you can also continue using your Google or with your Microsoft account. Also, you can use your Apple and then Slack account. So that's it guys, this is how to download Trello in Windows PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.